Welcome everyone, you're using the 15 Pro Max and it's overheating. The reason why is a software bug. You can see here, this is an Apple quote. We have identified a few conditions which can cause iPhone to run warmer than expected, and that's there is a bug in iOS 17 which is impacting users, which means the overheating bug, which will be addressed in a software update. So the solution is you will need to go to your software update settings and patiently wait for a new iOS software update to release. At the moment, iOS 17.0.2 does not fix the overheating bug. Hopefully, iOS 17.0.3 will, or maybe iOS 17.1, but it would show any update logs if the overheating is fixed. If you're watching in a distant future, maybe 6 months down the line, and you're on the original iPhone software, you would need to update it, and I'd assume in the future the newer softwares would 100% have the overheating issue solved. I would recommend against using apps like Instagram. That one has a bug, and the camera recording video, that one also has a bug. But if you want to use the apps, continue using them, but just remember a software update is coming to fix the overheating. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.